Today we're here to introduce the Baumfolder 714XLT. It is a two-fold vacuum-fed machine. It's delivered on a cart and with its own vacuum pump. It can do, like I said, two folds. It can do a signature fold, letter fold. It can fold once, twice. You can put perf blades on it, slitting blades, score blades if you want to do refolding. All this on a single machine. This is a robust machine made in the USA here in Sydney, Ohio. This machine is air. It raises the paper up here to prevent double, and if you have highly corner covered sheets, it will not mark the paper. Simple enough, you just hit the start button, pull. You can add paper as you want. So you can continually pull. As you see there, we did 63 sheets in a small amount of time. So you can feed. Here we have the two fold plates, and here's your stacker table. So the product is fed and folded so an operator can feed it and then take the paper out here of the stacking table. Here, you can see here, this is simple enough paper folded here. Here's the different folds it can do. It can do a letter fold, fan fold, double parallel, single, French, double, engineering fold. It can do all these. It can do 14 to 20 by 6 to 9. In each fold, there's letters here. So you take these letters, like we're doing 8.5 by 11, E and E. You go to your fold plates and you set it here to the numbers that this is pointing to E and E here, and it will fold for you. Easy enough. If you have any questions, please call 937-492-1281 or visit us on the website at www.baumfolder.com. Thank you.